Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. So for today's tutorial is going to be simple and short. So I have this applique, beaded applique here. I have a tutorial already on my YouTube channel. I did this a while back. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to cut this out of this net and place it on another fabric. So we are going to need, what we will need for this tutorial is our scissors and our glue gun. So this beaded applique, you can do it at the comfort of your home. I'm going to put the link to this tutorial in the caption. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, share my video to your friends. So I'm going to first plug this so that it can be heating up. So that is done. So now we are going to, the first step we're going to do is to first cut this into 4 squares. We're going to cut them out into 4 squares. Sorry for that. Okay, so as I was saying, we'll cut this into squares so that we can be able to cut them out individually without cutting the applique. Or you can use your soldering iron if you have one. That will be easier and faster. So this is the first one I'm going to be doing. So I'm just going to I went to get an embroidery scissors to make my work easier for me and faster too. So I'll just use this normal one. I'll use this normal one to reduce the fabric at the edge. Then I'll use this to get close to where I have stitched, but not too close so that the bead doesn't unravel. So as you can see, I'm leaving about Mama shift. So I'm leaving about 1/4 of an inch. So you have to be very careful so that you don't cut the thread. So that's it. So that's it, guys. So I'm going to do the others, or let me repeat it again for those who wouldn't get what I did. So I'll just repeat it, then I'll do the rest off camera before we begin the gum. Begin applying applying it to our fabric. But this will be much more easier with soldering iron though. So if you have one, feel free to use it. So that's it. I'm done with the second one. So I'll do the rest and then we'll come back to start applying it on the fabric. So this is the fabric that we'll be applying our applique on. I've placed it how I want it to. So my dress has a zipper in front, so I can't place it in the middle, which is what I would have desired to do. So I'm just going to, you have to bear with me, I'm using my hand now to hold the phone. So I'm just going to flip this over, then apply my glue gun on it, just enough to stick it to the fabric first of all. Then you can still, yes, then you can still glue the edges if the edges are not in place. So that's it. So I'm going to do the next one. I'm going to do this one. Hey, sorry for my baby's noise in the background. Sorry. So I'll flip it over here and then press it down. So see, places edges like this that is still lifting up, so I can use my glue now to do that. But I just want to secure the position first with the gun. That's why I'm not so concerned about that part. So I'll now take my time now and put it at the petals to glue it. So because I'm holding the camera, I can't lift it up. I can't lift up the petal with my hand, so I'm just going to use the glue gun to do that for me as I'm applying it. Press it down. So that's just it. That's how I attach my own applique. So that's it. Thank you for watching.